Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy JB and welcome back to the channel. And in this unboxing video, as a little kid and sometimes as a grown adult, we've always watched Marvel movies from the past and the most recent ones. We've always wanted to be that one special character, and that's Iron Man. With Jarvis in your helmet, the stats in the corner of your eye. Well, this product is going to get you as close to being Iron Man as you can. So let's get it unboxed for you guys. Alright, so the product that we are unboxing today is from a company called Motoeye, and the product that we're unboxing today, it's called the Motoeye E6 Plus HUD, which, if you don't know by now, stands for heads up display. Alright, so this is the product that comes out of the box, the Motoeye Helmet Smart HUD. We're going to take a look at what comes in the box and then unbox it for you guys. Pretty much, it comes with a computer that is IP66 waterproof. It's got excellent sound effects, interchangeable ambient light, do multiple networking, whether it's with the speakers that come with the unit, or you could do Bluetooth, and you could pair your Bluetooth earphones if you have them installed already on your helmet. So it does come with the HUD host, optical display module, which is the screen, a remote control, and headset and mic. Let's take a look at the description in the back. It has AR display, you could display GPS navigation. It has mesh intercom, public network intercom, noise reduction, voice command. It could run Android Auto, CarPlay, Huawei HiCar, screen mirroring for your phone, and like I said in the beginning, it is IP66 waterproof. It does come with a remote control. It does have a rear view camera. It does have lighting in the back as well, and atmosphere lights. So let's get this baby unboxed and see the module itself. Okay, there's that. In the beginning, you're greeted with a message that has the main hub and a picture of the display. It's got contact us if you do run into any issues. And here's the HUD itself. Let's put that out to the side. Initial reaction, it is hefty, so it's good quality when it's hefty like that. When it does feel a little bit lighter, the product is not going to be as good. Get this Velcro out of the way because its presentation is great. It does making the unboxing experience a little bit harder, so in the future I would like maybe a little slit right here so the cable could just slip out pretty easily. We're just gonna empty the box and show you guys what it comes with inside. So it comes with the main computer, the HUD module for your helmet, and two boxes. We're going to take a look at what's inside those two boxes. We're going to start with the little one. It is labeled remote control, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be the remote that comes with this. So it is a two-part remote. So this comes with an L bracket, which you could install on your motorcycle or bike. You can install this on like your mirror mount on your motorcycle or your e-bike, and then mount the controller, which is right here. It does come with two 3M tape for mounting purposes, and I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. We'll take a look at this and put what this is on the screen. And then another small bag. What's in here? Probably screws. Yes, you got screws and nuts and washers. And then this is the controller itself. It's got up, down, left, right arrows, return button, and a snapshot button. Let's see how to separate it from. Okay, so basically, if you want this to separate the two pieces, you just turn it left, and it'll pop right out. I still want to figure out what this is for. I think it goes into like that. I don't know, but if you guys know how to mount this on a bike or a motorcycle, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, and then you just switch it back on, and that is your remotes. On the bigger box that says headset and accessories, we're just gonna unbox that and show you guys what's inside there. So if you do want to run this on a brand new helmet that doesn't have an intercom system already, this kit is for you, because it comes with two speakers and a boom microphone. It also is pre-installed the 3M tape, so you just rip it apart, put it in your helmet, and stick it to your helmet, and then you'll be set up pretty easily as well. You have a braided USB-C to a USB-A charging cable. Your instruction booklet. This looks like mounting tape for the HUD unit in your helmet. You have pretty much 2 square ones and 4 specialized shaped ones. Put that to the side. And this is the display module extension rod. If the reach of this helmet is not too long and doesn't reach your eye well, you could just install this extension to get closer to your eyes, so when you're riding you can see what's going on. And you have 2 sets of wipes, and you have a mini screwdriver. Alright, let's take a look at the module itself. Alright, so I don't know exactly which model I have, but I really thought that it comes with the face plates. I guess I didn't get that with this package, but that's fine. We'll rock the silver one, what it looks like. And so this is what the mounting system looks like. It's to take it off, you just pull this tab on the left side of the computer, and it pops off. You attach this area to your helmet. You might have to clean your helmet thoroughly, let it dry, put this on. And I usually wait 24 hours before mounting something heavy after just installing the tape. But yes, our next video is for installing it on our helmet. But this is the HUD itself. It looks pretty dope once you're looking at it in person. The screen is not fully transparent, and you have a mirror look from the other side of it as well. And this looks like I want to say right side eye. They do have both sides for whichever eye is your masculine eye. They have it for each side, and then the mount is magnetic, of course. So if you mount it to your helmet initially and you need to remove this some way, somehow, you just pull it off and it's magnetic and it'll go back into place. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Next video we'll be installing this on our helmet, and we're going to do some testing. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB signing out. Peace.